Welcome back to some more tabletop games. This one we got for you is tabletop hockey.
Tabletop hockey typically is played with coins. So you'll need 3 coins that you're going to play with. If you don't have coins, you can make 3 paper balls. I don't suggest using toilet paper because that is a very valuable resource that we are trying to save here. So 3 paper balls, or if you have the coins. We're going to do the demonstration with the coins. And what we're going to do here is with the 3 coins, when you make your first hit, it's going to spread them out. Okay, and then from there you have to move down the court or the field or the table by making it go in between the other 2. So as I make my hits, I can move down the tabletop by making my coin go in between the other 2.
You can also play this direction, or if you want to make it a little harder, you could go long ways on the table. So a lot of different options. Truly, you could play this anywhere. As long as you have a flat surface.
How you score is your opponent will be on the opposite end, and they're going to make bull horns, and they're going to bring it up there, and if you can score your coin inside the 2 bull horns, that's how you score a goal. Okay, and then you just play, each goal is worth 1 point. All right, so we're going to do a little demonstration. We'll do a demonstration with the coins and then also with the paper balls so you can see what it looks like. All right, welcome back. So to start possession, Mr. O and I, rock, paper, scissors, I won, so I get possession. So I'm going to put the 3 coins together. My little strategies, I like to put the biggest one in the back if you have different ones. If you have all the same size, it doesn't really matter. If by chance you knock one of the coins off the table, the opponent gets to pick an exercise for you to do for 5 times. Okay, so we're going to add a little physical activity in on the tabletop hockey game. All right, so first possession, what I do is I just use my finger and I flick into it, and it spreads them out. Now what I want to do is I pick one side, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to make sure that I hit it. Oh, I did not hit it in between. So now Mr. O takes possession.
Do I take it from here or do I pull it back?
You take it from there.
Okay. So I take it from here.
Oh, that's going to be a tough hit.
All right.
Didn't make it. All right, and he didn't leave me with much either.
All right. Now I set myself up a little bit.
Notice it has to go in between the 2.
Can I go back in between or no?
No.
No.
So Mr. O made
So I think I'm
You
going to
made
just set this one up so it's hard for him.
All right.
I don't know.
So I'm going to go penny in between, dime in between. Oh, I messed it
All
up.
right. Oh boy. I'm really setting myself up for failure here. Nice. Oh, that's a shot. Oh, off the post.
Off the post and off the table.
All right, so what happens when this falls off?
Opponent gets to tell me what kind of exercise
All right.
to do.
We'll do 5 arm circles. Just 5 arm circles. I'll keep it easy on them. All right. Yes. All right. So if it goes off the table, then just start it back at your end in the triangle formation. So first hit. Here we go. I'm getting off the edge.
Oh, he scores a goal.
Nice. Oh, nice. Oh!
Oh!
What a play.
And he's going to give me another exercise.
Do 5 push-ups on this one, 5 push-ups. Notice the good sportsmanship. We congratulate each other when we do something good.
Thank you for the workout, Cody.
Yep,
Appreciate that.
giving him a nice workout today. All right, here we go. That's why you might want to start with the bigger coin in the back. Oh boy.
Oh.
That's an easy one. Maybe. Go! 1-1. So you, for this game, You can play to a point total, so if we wanted to play to like games of 3, we could set a timer on a phone or something like that for 5 minutes, play timed games or a scored game. If you have multiple people, that way you can get them in the game as well.
Yeah, so if we were teammates, same deal as, if we were the teammate, Mr. O would make the first hit,
Pretend that we had 2 on 2.
then I would make the second, you would make the third, and together,
Ooh,
we would go down,
nice.
and then you, yeah, then we could keep,
Oh yeah, I can keep going.
Finish up.
Yeah. Okay.
but with teammates,
post again.
we would just alternate side to side.
Or if you don't want to be competitive and you just want to play with 2 people and you just want to see how many goals you can score and see how effective you can be getting the coins down the court.
Right, and with the paper, so same deal, so if you have the paper, I put them together, I do my hit, and then, you know,
Nice.
it's, you know, they don't slide as well, but it's basically the same concept. Okay?
Cool.
Alright, well, hey, hope you're having fun. As always, be safe, be kind, and help out around the house, and as you should always do, ask permission before you clear anything off the table. If you have valuables or the family has like big things on the table, make sure you ask permission.
And when you're done, make sure you put everything back where it was when you found it, okay? Make sure you clean up after yourselves. All right, thank you.